Hi, welcome to today's video. My name is Junhong and today we'll be talking about Cipher Feedback Mode or CFB in short. So what is Cipher Feedback Mode exactly? Cipher Feedback Mode is one of the block cipher mode of operation. It encrypts a small number of plaintext at once or even just one plaintext at once. So alright, we know that it encrypts plaintext, but what does it do differently compared to other modes? So in this cipher feedback mode, what it does is it adds plaintext into a ciphertext to create a new ciphertext. This allows the encryption pattern to be hidden so that the output will not have the same cryptanalysis for decryption. The first plaintext block that we add are called the initialization vector, or IV in short. This IV can be in any bit size. Now let's have a look at the flow of CFB encryption. There will always be more than two parts of encryption in CFB, so we start with an IV, in this case a 64-bit one. Then it goes through a block cipher encryption with a key, for example DES. Next, we choose the S bits and discard the rest. We take the chosen S bit, add the plaintext that we want, and go through the exclusive OR operation, also known as exclusive disjunction. The result of this XOR operation will be our first ciphertext. Here comes the second part. We repeat the whole process from the first part, but this time we're going to use the first ciphertext that we got as our new IV. Alright, now we know how to encrypt. So how do we decrypt it then? The process of decryption for CFB is actually very similar to the encryption process. Instead of adding plaintext blocks, now we add cipher blocks instead. Let's have a look at the flow of decryption. So for starters, we will have another IV. The IV is then put through the block cipher of encryption with a key. Once done, we choose the S bits again and discard the rest. Until here, it's all very similar to the encryption. Now here's the part where it's different. We add the ciphertext block to the S bit and we use the XOR operation to get our first plaintext. My bad. The whole process is then repeated by replacing the IV with the first plaintext that we have. That's all from me today. Thank you for watching and hope you've learned something useful.